12th question. Yes, 15 identical articles weight. Now 15 articles. 15 articles. 15 articles weight. 15 articles weight. 15 articles weight is given. That is 31.50 kg. So 15 article weight 31.50 kg. Find the weight of one article. So one article weight is, yes, what you will do? Tell me. One article weight will be not multiplied, my dear. Yes, 15 article cost is 31.50. So what will be the weight of one article? Whenever it is one article, you have to divide total cost. Yes, so that will be 31.50 kg divided by 15. Whenever it is weight of one article, you have to divide. Okay. Now many you multiplied, one you divide. That you remember. So divide 31.50 by 15. So 31.50 by 15 divide. See this part. 31.50 divided by 15. Okay. So 31.50 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30. Yes, 15 2s are 30. Then 1. Then decimal is there. 5 will be carried. 15 1s are 15. 15. Then 0 is there. 2.10. Answer is 2.10 kg. 2.10. 2.10 kg. In the question it is written 31.50, so I have written 2.10, which is same as 2.1. Yes, which is same as 2.1. Okay. No, weight is asked, my dear. What is asked? Find the weight of, my dear, weight. Chalo, weight, write down the answer. Weight of each article. Weight of each article. Weight of each article is 2.1 kg. Okay. So whenever it is 1, you have to divide. Many you multiply. Chalo, 13th question. 13th question. The product of two numbers is 211.2. If one of these two numbers is 16.5, find the other number. So it does not matter. Let us write first number, as we have seen in the integer rational number, first number into second number. First number into second number. Product means multiplication. First number into second number is given how much? Let me write this right. First number into second number. The product means multiplication, is given 211.2. 211.2. Okay. If one of these two numbers is 16.5, one number is 16.5, find the other number. Let the other number you have to find, that we consider x. Okay. Let other number be x. Let other number be x. So form the equation. What will be the equation? Tell me. 16.5. Yes, 16.5 into x is equal to 211.2. Now before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. Yes, before equal to, it is left hand side. After equal to, right hand side. Okay, and whenever we change the side, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. So 16.5 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. 16.5 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. So when you will take 16.5 on the right hand side, this multiplication will go in the division. So x is equal to x is equal to 211.2, x is equal to 211.2 divided by 16.5. 16.5. Yes. So whenever decimal is there in both the place, numerator and denominator, then you remove the decimal. After decimal, it is one digit, remove. After decimal, one digit, remove. Okay. So this will become 211.2112 upon 165. How this has comes here? When you want to remove the decimal of numerator, after decimal how many digit? 1. So multiply by 10 in the denominator. When you want to remove the decimal of denominator, after decimal how many digit? 1. So multiply by 10 in the numerator. 10 get cancelled. 10 get cancelled. So x is 2112 upon 165. X is 2112 upon 165. Now divide this. Divide this and tell me. 2112 divided by 165. 165. See the table. 165. First you consider 3 digit, my dear. So 165 ones are 165. Okay. 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, 46. Then 2 is carried, 462. 165, 3s will be more. Let us consider 2s. 165 2s. Yes. 165 2s is 270. 165 3s, let us see. 165 3s how much? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. Then this is 3 1s are 3. 495. 495 is bigger, no my dear? Yes. 495 is bigger. So 165 2s are. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Let us subtract. 2 minus 0 2. 6 minus 3 3. 4 minus 3 1. 132. 132 is smaller. So what I will do? I will place the decimal and add 1 0. Now 165. 165. 165. Let us see 135. This will be 7 8. Let us see. 8 5s are 40. 4 8 6 are 48 plus 4 52. Then 8 5s are 8 plus 5 is 13. 1320. It is 8. 12.8. 1320. So what is that number? 12.8. Yes. So x is 12.8. X is 12.8. So you will write the other integer, other number is 12.8. Other number is 12.8. Other number is 12.8. Okay. Other number is 12.8. चलो ठीक है. Now do next one. 1 dozen identical article cost 45.96. Find the cost of each article. 1 dozen. In dozen, how many articles are there? 12. Yes. So 1 dozen article cost. 1 dozen article cost. Yes. So 14th one. 1 dozen article. 1 dozen article cost is given, that is rupees 45.96. 45.96. 1 dozen means 12. 12 article cost. 12 article cost is rupees 45.96. So it is asked find the cost of each article. Each article means one article. So cost of each article will be 45.96 divided by 12. 45.96 divided by 12. So divide it. 45.96 divided by 12. Board is clear, my dear. Board is clear. So yes, 12. 12 3s are 36. 45 minus 9. Then point 99. 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. 96 99 by 93. 6 is carried. 36. 12 3s are 36. The remainder is 0. So this is 3.83. So cost of each article is rupees 3.83. Rupees 3.83. Cost of each article is rupees 3.83. Okay. Cost of each article is rupees 3.83. Don't say 83. It is 83. After decimal, we read them as single digits. So cost of each article is 3.83. Cost of each article is 3.83. Okay. So now 4C is over. 4C is over. Now 4th D and 4th E are not there. 4th D and 4th E is not there. Rounding of part is not there. Omitted. Cancel means it is omitted. 4th D and 4th E. 4th D and 4th E is not there. 4th D and 4th E exercise. Exercise 4th. Exercise 4th D and 4th E is not there. Now we have to do 4F. 4F we have to do. Exercise 4F we have to do. Yes, 4F we have to start. Chalo, 4th F. The weight of an object is 3.06 kg. Find the total weight of 48 objects. So 4B and 4E are omitted. 4th F you have to do. The weight of an object. Weight of one object. An object means one object. Weight of one object. Weight of one object is how much? Yes. 3.06. Weight of an object is 3.06 kg. Find the weight of 48 such objects. So weight of 48 objects. Weight of 48 objects is equal to 48 into 3.06 kg. 48 into 3.06 kg. So I have told you, whenever you want to multiply, you neglect the decimal part. So 48 into 3.06. So remove the decimal. Neglect the decimal part, my dear. 48 will remain 48. 3.06 will become 306. Multiply 306 and 48. 306 and 48. You multiply. 8 6 are 48. 4 8 3 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Then 2 4 3 are 12. Let us 8 6 14688. 14688. Okay. 14688. But you have to place the decimal after how many digits? 1, 2. So from right you will place the decimal, my dear. So from right you will place the decimal, no? 1, 2, place the decimal. So that is 146.88 kg. 146.88 kg is the weight of 48 object. Yes, understood this question? Yes, ask the doubt. That we will see in the revision. Okay. Whichever previous chapter questions are. So okay. Yes. So that we can discuss at the end of the period. Once I will leave the class, you can remain and we will discuss that. Okay. So that we will take at the end of the period. Now second question. Find the cost of 17.5 meter cloth at the rate of 112.50 per meter. All of you are having the textbook, so second will be homework. I am not writing the question. 1 kilogram of oil cost 73.40. Find the cost of 9.75 kilogram of oil. So that is also homework, third one. Then total weight of 8 identical objects is 51.2 kg. Find the weight of each object. Each object means what you will do? Tell me. Yes? Divide. So fourth is also homework. Then 18.5 meter cloth cost 666. Find the cost of 3.8 meter cloth. Okay, let me do this. Fifth one. Okay. So 18.5 meter of cloth. 18.5 meter of cloth cost is how much? 666. Okay. Find 1 meter of cloth. So what is the cost of 1 meter? Cost of 1 meter of cloth. What you will do? You will divide cost of 1 meter of cloth. My dear, to find the cost of 3.8 meter, first you find the cost of 1 meter. Yes. So 18.5 meter of cloth cost this. Find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. So rupees 666 divided by 8 and 8.5. So first you find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Then you multiply by 3.8. Okay. So 18.5 meter of cloth cost 666. Okay. So now divide 666 by 18.5. Divide this. So that will be 666 upon 18.5. Yes, how you will divide? Tell me. Whenever decimal is there in the denominator, remove the decimal. When you remove the decimal, you have to add 0 in the numerator. So what that will be? Tell me. That will be 666 into 10 upon 185. So that will be 6660 upon 185. Now divide 6660 upon 185. First you consider 3 digit 185. 185. Forza will be more. 3 5 are 15. 24 plus 1 25. 555. Yes. So 185. 3 555. 555. Okay. Now subtract 6 minus 5 1. 6 minus 5 1. 6 minus 5 1. 1 1 1. 0. Okay. 185. 185. 8 let us see. 8 will be more. 6 6 5 30. 6 8s are 48 plus 3, 51, 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. So 6 are 1 1 1 0. Okay. So that is 36. That is 36. Not 3.6, my dear, 36. Wait, where 3.6 will come? Where decimal is there? Tell me. So cost of 1 meter cloth, is rupees 36. Now we want to find the cost of 3.8 meter of cloth. So cost of 3.8 meter of cloth. Yes, cost of 3.8 meter of cloth will be 3.8 into 36. No, my dear. 3.8 into 36. So multiply. Now you will not remove the decimal, my dear. Why? There is, in multiplication there is no need to neglect the decimal. So 3.8, I will write 38, and this will become 36. So multiply 38 and 36. 38 and 36, multiply 38 and 36. 6 8s are 48. 6 3s are 18 plus 4, 22. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 8 6 3 1368, my dear. My dear, this 2 will be added or not? 2 plus 1 3. Yes? Not followed. 1368, no. So this is 1368. So cost of 3.8 meter of cloth is 1368, but you have to place the decimal. See, in the product, what is that? In the product, what we have? We have 3.8. After decimal, 1 digit. So move from right and place the decimal. That is 136.8. So cost of 3.8 meter of cloth is rupees 136.8. All of you agree? So cost of 3.8, yes, clear. 3.8 meter of cloth is 136.8 rupees. Then find the value of the following. 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 So whenever you are studying mathematics, there are mathematical terms which you remember. Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. That you remember. So now next is sixth one. Find the value of 6 first. Find the value of the following. 6 0.5 of rupees 7.60 plus 1.62 of 30. So off means multiplication. So this we write 0.5 off means multiplication 7.60 plus 1.62 चलो rupees right rupees 7.60 plus 1.62 off means multiplication of 30 rupees 30 okay of rupees 30 so multiply these two. So how will simplify? First you simplify this, then you add them. So 0.5 will become 0.5. Okay, 7.60 will become 760. 0.5 same as 5. So this will become 1.62, 162. And this will become 30 only. 30 will remain 30. Now multiply these two, add them. So 760 into 5. 760 into 5. 0, 5, 6 the 30, 7, 5 the 42 plus 3, 45. Okay? But you have to place the decimal after how many digits here? 3 digit. 1 plus 2, 3. So move from right and place the decimal. 1, 2, 3. So this will become 4.500. Yes or no? 4.500. What about this? 162 into 30. 162 into 30. Multiply. 0, 0, 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. That will be 4860. But you have to place the decimal after how many place? 4 digit. Not 4 digit. Arey, not 4 digit, my dear. 2 digit. 2 digit. So 1 2. Place the decimal. 1 2. 48.60. 48.60. Okay. So let us add them. Where, my dear? Where? 500, 5 6 are 30, 7 5 are 35, yes. 35 plus 3, 38, yes, 38. 3.800, yes. 3.800, okay. 7 5 are 35 plus 3, 38, yes. So let us see. So this will be, first answer is 3.800 plus 4.48.60. Now you tell me whether they are like decimal? No. Yes. So this is 3 digit. This is 3 digit beyond. So this way I will write 3.800 plus 48.600. Let us add them. 3.800, 48.600. We want to add them. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 6, 14, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 2, 12, 4 plus 1, 5, 52.400. Yes? So answer is 52.400. Can you tell me what is the final answer? This is same as 52.4. Yes? All of you agree? So answer is 52.4. Answer is 52.4. This is rupees, no? This is rupees, my dear. So write somewhere rupees. Everywhere write down rupees. Write down rupees. So rupees 52.4 or 40, whatever you want. 4 is same as 40. Okay. So answer is 52.40 or 52.4. Then second question, 2.3, second question. 2.3 of 7.3 kg, 7.3 kg, then plus 0.9 plus 0.9, 0.9 of 0.48 kg. 0.48 kg. Should I give this homework? Simple exercise. Yes? Homework. Same as my dear. Third one. 6.25 of 8.4. 6.25 of 8.4 minus 4.7 of 3.24. Yes, tell me. Homework? Yes, homework. Chalo. Fourth one I will do. Fourth one 0.98 of 235 minus 0.09 of 3.2. 0.09 of 3.2 Okay, so let us simplify. So of means multiplication, so 0.98 of means multiplication 235 minus 0.09 of means multiplication 3.2. Okay, so in multiplication we neglect the decimal, so 0.98 will be same as 98 and this is 235. 0.09 is same as 9 and this is 32. Multiply 235 and 98. 235 with 98, multiply 235 and 98. 235 and 98, multiply. Yes, multiply 235 into 98. 235 into 98, let us multiply this, and 32 into 9, let us multiply this. 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28, 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18, 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27 plus 4, 31, 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. So 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 3, 23, 0, 3, 0. Okay, so this is 23, 0, 3, 0. 23, 0, 3, 0. But you will place the decimal after how many digits? Tell me. After how many digits? 2 digits. So from right you place the decimal. So that will be, point will be there. So let us multiply. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28, 288. But you will place the decimal after how many digits? 2 plus 1, no, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 digit, no my dear. So 3 digit, it will be 0.288. 0.288 is same as 0.288. Yes or no? So let us simplify. This value is 230.30 minus this value is 0.288. Now you tell me whether they are like decimal? No. After decimal 2 digit, after decimal 3 digit. So they are not like decimal. So convert them. That will be 230.300 minus 0.288. Minus 0.288. Now subtract them. So yes, in addition and subtraction you have to convert them into like decimal first. Addition and subtraction. So that is 230.300 minus 0.288. 0.288. Let us simplify. 0 will become 10. 0 will become 9, 3 will become 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0, 0, then 3, 230.012. What is the answer? Yes, answer is 230.012. Yes, what answer all of you got? Yet 230.012. 230.012. Yes. So now we stop here. It is 12:12. Remaining part we will see on Monday. Okay. Bye everybody.
Bye, 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 bye.